Think about it. We use data to solve big problems all the time. So why not use it to solve your own personal finance challenges? Imagine having a clear visuals that shows you exactly where your money is going so as to help you make smarter money choices. I've created a yearly finance tracker to help you manage and track your finances. I've been using this for a couple of years now and it's really been useful, so I thought to share it with you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK and on this channel we talk about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence and everything you need to know about technological advancement. I want to wish you a happy new year. Welcome to year 2025. I hope you are all feeling pumped for a fresh start. It's been a while since my last video. Life got very busy and overwhelming, and honestly, I just needed to hit the pause button. I'm not back yet. I wanted to check in and share something I thought could really help you kick off the year on a high note. Every year, we talk about setting new goals or New Year resolutions, be it fitness, career, or learning something new. But here is a question. Have you set any goal for managing your finance better this year? If not, no worries. You're not alone. But this is your sign to take control of your finance this year. And I've created something that can help you do just that. Also, I have a video on my channel that talks about setting smart goals. I'll put a link in the description and at the end so you can go watch after this one. Before we dive in, I do want to apologize that you're not seeing my face in this video. I know that's what you would usually expect. I needed to get out this information as soon as possible, and waiting to get my setup might take a bit longer. Don't worry, I'll be back on camera as soon as I can. Think about it. We use data to solve big problems all the time. So why not use it to solve your own personal finance challenges? Imagine having a clear visuals that shows you exactly where your money is going so as to help you make smarter money choices. I've created a yearly finance tracker to help you manage and track your finances. I've been using this for a couple of years now and it's really been useful, so I thought to share it with you. Let me take you through how it works. First, there is the overview page. This is your command center. On this page, you'll find a quick guide on how to use the tracker, links to all the sheets, one for each month, a yearly summary, and a section where you can customize drop-down options like your payment methods. I will explain a bit further later. One feature I love is the payment option setup. Here you can prefill your most used payment method like cash, credit, or mobile payment, and they will automatically appear across all the monthly sheets. No need for repetitive typing, just quick and error-free selection. Next up are the monthly sheets. This is where you'll track your income and expenses. For each month, you can log your income and spendings, categorize them like maybe groceries, accommodation, utilities. I'll show you all of that later. Then you can also select the payments method from the ones you set up earlier. The sheets have already been customized, so you don't have to do anything complex. Let's start with the January, for the month of January. So at the top here, you can put in your income. If you have multiple incomes, you can add everything here and a description of each one if you like. I have also added a row for refunds as well. So in case you get refunds, maybe you pay for something and you get refunded, you can add that as income because you will also track it as expenses in the sheet below. Below, this is where you can log your daily expenses, input the date, select a payment option from the drop down you've pre-specified, and add a description of the expense and the store or location of your purchase. Below here, I have included the recurring expenses. So for example, I can copy them across different months so you don't have to repeat over and over again. Once you enter your data, the sheet automatically updates. You'll see a column chart comparing your income, expenses, and balance. You also see a pie chart breaking down your expenses by category or breaking them down. So you have the main category and you have the subcategory. These visuals makes it easy to spot patterns and adjust your spending. So from the pie chart, you can see which category or which subcategory you're spending the bulk of your income on. I divided them into different categories. For example, you have food. Under food, you have groceries, dining, food stop, transportation. You have public transportation, fuel, vehicle maintenance, insurance, and so on. Housing, you have things like rent, utility, repairs, and you can just go through and you can edit them as them fit. Another great feature of this I've added is the percentage of your income spent, as you can see at the top. So you're aiming to have less percentage of income spent. So you either reduce your expenses, so reduce the percentage of your income you're spending, or you want to increase your income in order to reduce the percentage of your income spent. So if you notice that if you are below 40% of income spent, it shows green that you're in a good place. And if you're spending over 40, it's already showing, okay, yellow is amber, warning. So between 40 to 70 shows amber, but when you get into spending over 70%, it begins to show warning sign that you're already beginning to spend a lot of your income. So you want to watch that. So I think you have this across all the sheets. And so by the time you fill up, I'll just go off screen and complete the sheet for all the months. Then if you come to the summary sheet, this puts together all your monthly data to give you a complete picture of your year. You'll see like your total income and expenses, spending trends over time, a breakdown of your yearly spending habits, and the percentage of your income you save for each of the months. So you can see the months you have higher percentage of spending, so the spending percentage. The best part, you don't have to do anything. It's all automated with dynamic charts. You can even compare your monthly income, expenses, and saving at a glance. I hope this is useful to you. Comment yes and your location in the comment section if you need this, and I'll share with you. I've done this on Google Sheets so it can be easily accessible and you don't have to pay for a subscription. Once you have a Google account, you can access it. Once you receive the link, you make a copy to your own drive so that at least to make a copy to your own drive so that it can be private to you. Don't edit the link I'll send to you. Make a copy to your own drive and you can start filling in your expenses and income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and share with someone who might need it. And if you have questions or ideas for improvement, drop a comment below and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for listening and I'll see you on the next one.